Hey guys, welcome to Pepcoding. So in this video, we are going to discuss our question, and that is display an array. It means in this question, we'll be given an array of size n, and in that array, we have to print all its element in separate line using recursion. So let's suppose this is my array 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. N here is equals to 6. So I have to print all this element in separate line. Okay. So we'll be doing this using recursion. So suppose I have a method that is display. I pass an array, index, and size of the array. Okay. So whenever we talk about recursion, we have two things. First is faith and another one is expectation. Okay. So what will be my expectation? Let's say my expectation will be display arr, 0, n will print all my array's elements from index 0 till 5. Okay. This is my expectation. And now what will be my faith? My faith will be that display arr, 1, n will print all my array elements from index 1 till 5, right? Now again for this method, I will again have a faith that is display arr, 2, n will print all its element from index 2 till 5, right? So we have talked about our expectation and faith. Okay. So now what will be my base condition? That is, if I reach my if my index become equals to n, that is I reach here, my index become equals to 6, that is equals to n, so I have no elements, right? No elements to print, so I have to return back from here. So this will be my base condition. Base condition will be if my index is equals to n, so return back. Okay. So this will be my base condition. Now what will be my methods work? My functions work will be to print itself and then call display and then call display arr idx plus 1 comma n, right? So my method will do what? It will print in element at index idx, and then it will call method display arr idx plus 1 comma n so that it can print all elements from index idx plus 1 till n, right? So I hope it's clear. So I think we are ready to write some code. So let's write. So first of all, my base condition will be there. If index become equals to n, so I have to return back, right? Otherwise, I'll do what? I'll just print arr of idx and then call display arr idx plus 1 comma n, right? So it will display elements from index idx plus 1 till n, right? Let's try to run this. So yeah, here all my array elements are getting printed with 31075, right? And try to submit this. Accepted. Now let's have a dry run. First of all, we'll dry run over our sample input, right? Okay, so my array was 31075. Okay. This is my array contains 31075. Here n is equals to 5. Okay. So first of all, my main calls the method main calls display array from index 0 till n, right? So it first of all checks if my index is equals to n. So no, my 0 is not equals to n, that is 5. So it will do what? It will print my element at index 0. So it will print 3. Then it will call display arr idx plus 1 comma n, right? So it will print from this index to this index, right? So it will again check if my 1 is equals to n. No, 1 is not equals to 5. So it will print arr of 1, that is 1, right? Then it will again call display arr index plus 1 comma n, that is 2. So it will again check if 2 is equals to n. No, 2 is not equals to n. So it will print element at arr comma 2. So arr of 2 it will print. So that is 0. Then it will again call display arr 3 comma n. It will check if 3 is equals to n. No, 3 is not equals to n. So it will print element at index 3. So it will print arr of 3, that is 7. Now it will again call display arr idx plus 1, that is 3 plus 1, that is 4 comma n. So it will again check if my index is equals to 4, that is equals to 5. No, my 4 is not equals to 5. So it will print arr of 4, that is 5. It again calls display arr comma 5 comma n. So it will now check if my index is equals to 5. Yes, my index is now become to equals to n. So it will return from here. And in this way, my array is getting printed, right? So I hope it was clear to you. This was all about my video. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching.